Hello everyone, this is Subin here again. So on today's tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to run a Java program through your terminal, like how to create a Java file and how to compile it and how to execute the Java file through the terminal on Ubuntu Jammy Jellyfish. So let's open the terminal. For opening terminal you just need to press Ctrl Alt and T. It will open the terminal. So first we need to we need to write down a Java page, Java file. So for that we need to open, I'll just open a folder on desktop. So let's start with command directory, um, desktop, and on desktop I'm gonna open a folder called folder, and I'm gonna select that folder, and on folder I want to create a Java file. So for that I want to open gedit, and I want to name that Java file to be hello world.java, and then it will open the gedit, and it knows I'm coding on Java, as like my system already have Java JDK 18. So start with public class hello world curly braces public static void main method string argument, and you need to print like hello world or whatever you want to print. For that you need to do system out dot print line, and on curly and not curly, on commas, inverted commas, you just write hello world. This is Subin, and you save it, and then close it. And if you don't close it you won't see any like this line over here, so you must close the gedit. And now I'm gonna compile that Java file called hello world.java, and it will compile. Yes, it has compiled, and I'm gonna run the Java file hello world, and here you go, you can see hello world, this is Subin. So as you can see, as you can see from this tutorial, you can run a Java, you can create a Java file, you can compile a Java file, and you can execute a Java file using terminal. This can be is the same method if you use this one, the code on CMD on Windows, and it is exactly same. The code you do on Apple operating system on Bash or terminal in Apple Mac OS. Anyway, I'm gonna teach you a different stuff today. So let's start with gedit hello world Java, and here you go. So this is normally what we do, like hello world, this is Subin. Sorry for the plane, I live like next to the airport. So anyway, so here to do this thing differently, I'm gonna add like array of arguments, and I'm gonna do the index 1, and I'm gonna save it. So what it will do is, let's see, Java compiler hello world.java, and I need to run this hello world, and I just need to do is write down my name, sorry, my last name, and then hit enter. So this is what you're gonna get. Hello world, this is Subin Besta. So if you don't want to enter the name, what you can do is like you can create array of argument, and you just hit the name there by the person, whoever printing this stuff. So this is how you can do the things like differently. Hope you guys gonna like my videos. Please do like my videos, subscribe to more like Java content with the Linux Ubuntu Jammy Jellyfish. So thank you for watching.